Welcome to IAS Prep Corner, your free gateway to cracking UPSC. Geography is the study of how Earth and humans interact. It explains landforms, climate, human settlement, and natural resources. It's much more than just maps and rivers. Did you know? The word geography comes from Greek roots. Geo means earth, and graphein means to write. So when we say geography, we're really saying, writing about the earth. Geography shapes history. Think about it, most ancient civilizations began near rivers. Why? Because rivers provided water, food, transportation, and fertile land. So, geography isn't just about maps, it helps us understand how societies have evolved over time. Geography connects with many other subjects in powerful ways. In economics, it explains resources, trade routes, and global markets. In environmental studies, it helps us understand climate change, pollution, and conservation. In political science, geography plays a role in understanding borders, natural disasters, and global conflicts. And in science and technology, it's the foundation of tools like GPS and satellite systems that shape our modern world. Geography for exams is divided into key areas. First, physical geography, covering landforms, climate, and natural phenomena. Second, Indian geography, focusing on our country's diverse terrain, resources, and states. Third, map-based questions, testing spatial awareness and location memory. And finally, environment geography overlap, where ecology and geography intersect. The questions are both conceptual and factual, so understanding and memorization go hand in hand. Geography is spread across different general studies papers in the exam. In GS Paper 1, it includes physical geography, Indian geography, and human geography. GS Paper 2 connects geography with geopolitics and disaster management. GS Paper 3 explores geography through resources, environment, and agriculture. Understanding these links helps in better preparation and answer writing. Let's understand the weightage of different geography topics. Physical geography forms the core, with around 60% of the questions. Indian geography contributes about 20%. Economic geography and human geography make up the remaining 20%, at 10% each. Focusing your preparation according to this distribution can help maximize your score. Geography is best learned through concepts, not just facts. Focus on understanding major systems like landforms, the atmosphere, and the hygrosphere. Explore dynamic phenomena like earthquakes, volcanoes, and the monsoon cycle. These core concepts form the backbone of both physical geography and real-world applications. Geography also involves key factual knowledge. Understand important elements like rivers, major crops, and soil types. Know the climate zones of India and the world. Track patterns of urbanization and the key features of Indian states. Geography has high scoring potential. Focus on key topics like minerals and their distribution. Study major industries and their geographic factors. Understand infrastructure and transport networks for a clear edge in exams. Population, settlements, and migration form the human face of geography. These topics connect deeply with social issues and governance in GS Paper 2. Understanding these links helps in writing multidimensional answers. UPSC often frames geography questions around current events. Stay updated on natural disasters like cyclones, earthquakes, and floods. Be aware of glaciers and their environmental impact. Understand resource-related challenges and ongoing river disputes. This approach helps connect static knowledge with real-world developments. Geography plays a vital role in both prelims and mains exams. It's deeply interconnected with other subjects, enriching your overall understanding. A solid foundation in geography improves your answer writing and analytical skills. Next, we'll explore the structure of the Earth to build that foundation.